Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Thirza and NPM 250-130-10114 from County Metro. So, in this opportunity, I will explain about the theory called center of gravity. This is a method that we use to seek the pinpoint that most cost-effective for distribution center. The theory center of gravity is famously detailed by experts like Barry Render and J. Heiser. This is a quantitative model that we can use to find a single distribution point that will minimize the total weight distance with mathematical formula to find the perfect distribution point. Now let's move to the step-by-step explanation. First, we have to identify our destination point, use coordinate x-axis and y-axis, and their Molly shipping volume. And after we got the data, we substitute to the formula. Now, to make it more easier, I already have the data for destination A. The coordinate x-axis is 30 and the y-axis is 120, and the volume is 2,000 container. For destination B, the x-axis is 90 and the y-axis is 110, with the volume is 1,000 container. And for destination C, the x-axis is 130 and the y-axis is also 130, and the volume is 1,000 container. And for destination D, the x-axis is 60 and the y-axis is 40, and the volume is 2,000 container. After we got the data, we substitute the formula. So I wrote down two formula here. The above is to find the x coordinate and the below is to find the y coordinate, but the two of them is just the same. So we sum each coordinate by their volume, then divided by the sum of the whole volume. Okay, now let's move to the next step. So next we have to calculate the volume, both x-axis and y-axis, by multiplying each coordinate with its volume. So for coordinate x, as we can look in here, 30 times 2,000. 30 is the x-axis of destination A, and 2,000 is the shipping volume of the destination A. So we're multiplying it of each destination, and then we sum it all, and we got equal 4,000. And for coordinate y is also the same. But in here we use the y-axis. So y-axis times with the volume, and then we sum it all. We will got equals 160,000. Then now we have to divide it, the total from previous step, with the sum of volume to find the final center coordinate. So the total volume is 2,000. 2,000 is the volume of destination A, plus with 1,000 the volume of destination B, plus with 1,000 the volume of destination C, plus with 2,000 the volume of destination D, and we got equal 6,000 for the total volume. And then for coordinate x, we have 400,000 as the total of y-axis from previous step, divided with 6,000 as the total volume. So we got equal 66.67. And for the coordinate y, we have 560,000 as the total y-axis from previous step, divided with 6,000 as the total volume, and we got equals 93.33. So this is the last step. Finally, we find the final center coordinate. For the coordinate x is 66.67, and for the coordinate y is 93.33. So it means the location that will minimize our spin expand is the place with the center coordinate y-axis 66.67 and the y-axis is 93.33. So by using this method, we can find the distribution center that most effective can minimize our shipping expense. And we can use tools like GPS to find the data, the y-axis and x-axis. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for hearing my explanation, and I'm so sorry if I made any mistake during explaining the theory. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.